Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Lungnim XYZ, and today on this vlog I'm going to go and chop firewood, or should I say cut firewood. Okay, as I live in a village, in a forest, jungle I should say. So on this vlog I'm going to go and show you how I cut wood in a forest. I used to cut that regularly, but I'm going to show you how I do that often. You may like to see that. So I make this video today. You see, I left the teapot here. So now with off it. Before I go to work, I need to drink some coffee in order to get some stimulant from the caffeine, okay? This is my second cup of coffee for today. I already have one cup in the morning in order to do some workout, but this is my second cup. I'm not going to waste uh, the caffeine energy here. It's a bit dark in the room, okay? Please don't mind. Okay, now I'm ready to go. I carry the bag, water bottle inside the bag, and I'm going to carry 2 eggs. Here, a workout. I'm about to reach the spot that I'm going to chop firewood today. It's so tired walking on a hill. You see that back of me? That is football ground, my village football ground. Okay, I'm going to reach the spot now. This is the life of village. This is how we live in the forest. See, I'm in the forest, walking alone. I have reached now. You see this? That is the wood that I chopped the previous day, last time, and today I'm going to chop this wood right here. See, it's pretty big, right? That is the wood that I'm going to chop today. Watch together. Let's finish this big guy, okay? Okay, friends. You may want to know why I make this blog, right? Pretty much stupid blog, right? But I have a plan. This channel going to change forever. It's not going to be the same like the previous year. I'm going to start uploading regularly on this channel. I have a blueprint for this channel for the year 2025. I don't know Whether you may like the video or not, but I'm experimenting something new on this channel. Even if I can reach out and connect to even 1,000 people, then it is pretty much achieved for me. I want to connect with you guys. Do like and comment on the comment below. I'm going to upload video regularly for this year. And also, let me tell you one thing. I want to speak in my native language. You know, I'm pretty much comfortable in my native language, but why I speak English? I speak English in order to reach out to more audience, to all the other states, to all the tribes and community of the world. I want to reach out even to the people living in United States or Europe. I want to show them how our lifestyles here, Manipur, Northeast, Tamenglong. I want to show them how we live. The village lifestyle blogger. My English is pretty weak, right? I know that. Long time not speaking English. Okay, let's start the work. See that? Right. Yeah. Woo! See this? This is called Siang Ting in our native dialect, Rongmai dialect. But I don't know in English, what do we call in English? If you know, let me also know it. Comment down below. Wow. Whew. Half done. Half work is done. See? With the lie. I'm going to show you the location. You see? On a deep forest. You see that? Look, surrounded by trees and plants. There is a slope here. Slope. There is also slope on another side, and I'm on the middle. There is a small streams. We call it the Thuagna. if you go up there, you're going to see a small field, launa. We call it launa, zoom cultivation. It's almost done. The work is so progressive. Let me drink some water. Yeah. I carry a water bottle. This is not Coke. I just keep it on Coca-Cola bottle. I just refill the water. The water color is little bit pink, reddish, mix of tea and water. Okay. Hi. Now I have finished chopping the firewood. I'm so tired right now. I'll show you. This is the wood that I chopped today. See that? Hi. Now I have finished chopping the firewood. The work is done for today. I'm going to return home. I'm so happy and glad that finally I finished chopping firewood. Look. Hi. This is just the beginning. I'm going to upload more interesting and different type of content on this channel for the year 2025. Stay tuned. Hi. I'm so tired, but I'm also happy at the same time because I have accomplished my work for today. I'm going to go and rest properly for today. Hi. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. More interesting video will be uploading soon. This is just a tips of an iceberg. So I want you to stay tuned for my next video. Take care, bye bye. This video will end from here. Thank you so much